This is the stupidest coach I've ever seen. I fucking hate him. Oh! Dude, Jessica, I fucking hate this coach. I hate him.
I don't know what that coach's deal was, man. I'm telling you. That was bogus.
Jessica, can I shut your game?
Yeah, hurry up, Megan. Let's go.
Jessica, yeah! Okay, Flock. Remember games, huh?
Yeah, unfortunately. We're against us today.
Oh, we're gonna kill them. I hate them.
Remember when we made that bitch cry?
Oh, come on, Dean. That was fucking hilarious.
Do you want a Coke?
Sure.
Here.
Hey,
You're welcome.
I know.
Okay, let's go downstairs. I want to check my...
Fucking hate Notre Dame.
I know.
Them bitches cry.